In the far southwest of the Netherlands, in Zeelandic Flanders, is Terneuzen, a city with an important port and industrial area. This area is located on a main international sea transportation route, the channel from Ghent to Terneuzen. A good infrastructure is of crucial importance, not only for the current industry, but also for attracting new business. Traffic via water, road and railway all need to flow quickly, and that conflicts at times.
Ik zag net hoeveel auto's weer stonden te wachten en dat zoveel keer per uur. Het is echt onvoorstelbaar dat dat zoveel jaar is volgehouden.
The N61 is the most important connection for road traffic in Zeelandic Flanders. Not only does this highway connect East and West Zeelandic Flanders, but it is also the connection between the Western Scheldt Tunnel and the Traktat Road towards Belgium. The swing bridge near Sluiskil over the channel from Ghent to Terneuzen is part of this road connection. Trains also make use of this bridge. This bridge presents a problem though, as it is open an average of 23 times per day due to the intensive sea traffic. That's more than 5 hours. This causes long wait times.
De tunnel is ook in motie. Dat weten we in dit gebied maar al te goed, want deze tunnel voorkomt straks belangrijke ergernissen in de streek.
A good solution is a tunnel under the channel near Sluiskil. This Sluiskil tunnel would need to be part of a quick and safe road connection. That's why the tunnel needs to offer room for a route with 4 lanes, 2 in each direction. We'll seamlessly connect these two to the existing road network via overpasses, intersections and roundabouts. The private company Channel Crossing Sluiskil is collaborating with BAM Tie by Eye on this major project, and it is commissioned by the province of Zeeland. The requirements are significant. First, they must develop a plan that makes it possible to build a safe tunnel. A tunnel that connects to the current infrastructure of roads and railways, make the deadlines, and make sure the region's inhabitants and workers are well informed of the building progress and in a timely manner. There's one more goal, and that is that during construction, this project will become the safest civil construction project in the Netherlands.
Wat wij bij onze organisatie proberen te doen is de veiligheid tijdens de bouw te bewerkstelligen. En dat betekent dat bezoekers ook veilig het bouwterrein op moeten kunnen.
The Sluiskil tunnel will be parallel to the bridge that crosses the channel. Including on-ramps, it will be 1.5 kilometers long. This toll-free tunnel will ensure the continuous flow of traffic. The current Sluiskil bridge won't lose its function, as it will stay in use for slower local traffic and railway transport.
Nou, ons ultieme doel is, als wij klaar zijn met het werk, dat eigenlijk het eruit moet zien alsof deze tunnel er altijd al gelegen heeft.
The tunnel will connect to new roads and viaducts, as well as the existing road network. Thought has also been given to the integration of the railway, and as such, a new railway viaduct will be part of one of the tunnel exits.
En zo'n groot tunnelproject bestaat uit een heleboel technische disciplines en ook andere disciplines. En die moeten samen gecoördineerd worden tot één groot eindproduct.
After all of this planning and designing, building begins. To prepare for the building process, 2 20-meter deep pits need to be built on both sides of the channel. Not only are these pits the starting and receiving shafts for the tunnel drill machine, but they're also the on-ramps for the new roads. And that means digging, building dam walls, bringing in grout anchors for securing the dam walls, pouring concrete and pumping out groundwater. The concrete bottom needs to be very strong too. We've had to deal with the resistance of the groundwater pressure. The bottom will be constructed both wet and dry.
Ik hoor hem ademhalen, dus zolang ik dit geluid hoor, is dat gewoon een heel rustgevend geluid.
Then the drilling process begins. There will in fact be 2 tunnels, one per traffic direction, with 2 lanes each. At its deepest point, the tunnel is about 35 meters below the surface. It continues to be a process with risks, and no matter how many safety precautions are taken, accidents lurk in the shadows, so external help is greatly welcome.
Als beschermvrouw van de Noordbuis wens ik Barbara en alle boormannen een goed en veilig boorproces. Op naar Sluiskil. Look out!
The drill being used is a tunnel drill machine. It is actually an entire factory. On the front is the cutter head with the diameter of almost 11.5 meters. The entire drill is about 80 meters long. Hydraulic cylinders ensure that the drill is able to move forward. The cylinders push off the latest installment of cement and push the drill forward. The drilling works in 2 phases. The first phase is mounting the tunnel ring. Every ring consists of 8 segments. An erector places the segments with down to the millimeter precision. The last segment, the sluice stone, has a tapered shape and is inserted from the front of the tunnel ring. Many of the drilling team are from Germany, but there are also some Dutch experts. What is it like working with a group of Germans?
Voll und super.
And after 3 months, it's come this far. The other side has been reached and the first tube has been drilled. It's pretty exciting. There it is.
Het is eigenlijk het moment waar je als tunnelboorders naar uitkijkt. Maanden of jaren van voorbereiding eigenlijk. Maanden van hard werken, van boren. En dan hoop je en denk je ook wel goed aan de andere kant te komen. Maar uiteindelijk moet het toch maar gebeuren. En als die dan doorbreekt, is dat geweldig. Is dat een opluchting. Is dat voor veel mensen echt een last, een pak van hun hart.
The drill is now deconstructed and brought back to the starting point in parts. The drill will be rebuilt to begin its second task, the south tube. The 2 tunnel tubes, each 1,145 meters, are built from a total of 9,200 tunnel pieces. That equals about 230,000 cubic meters of sand and clay that are dug out and cleared. Man-sized cable channels are currently being placed in the North Tube. The necessary wires and piping will be added to these channels, and the space under the future road will be filled with sand. All kinds of safety systems will be added in and around the tunnel, including cameras, so the Western Schild tunnel operators can continuously monitor all traffic.
Nou, dat is een van de mooie dingen van ons werk. Wij bouwen voor lange tijd. Dus wij hebben een ontwerplevensduur voor de betonconstructies van 100 jaar. Dus iedereen kan hier nog lang genieten van dit mooie werk.
Beginning in mid-2015, around 20,000 vehicles will make use of the tunnel every day. That equals a savings of 10 million euros worth of wait time costs, which means an extra 10 million euros worth of possibilities for economic expansion.